Hey Rebels, if you've ever looked around and thought, there's got to be more to life than this, you're in the right place. I'm Digital Rebel Grannie, veteran, dream chaser, and soon to be recovering 9-to-5 survivor. And for the next 7 days, we're taking our power back, one sip of grit at a time. This mini series is called 7 Days to Rebel Confidence. Your daily shot of courage, strategy, and a little sass to help you rebuild your confidence, your freedom, and your income online. Even if you still think TikTok is just for teenagers, spoiler, it's not. You've spent decades showing up for everyone else. Your family, jobs, service, where along the way, your spark dimmed. This is your week to get it back. Rebel confidence isn't about becoming someone new. It's about remembering who you are and building something meaningful from it. Each day, you'll get a short lesson, a simple action, and a healthy dose of humor. Here's the roadmap. Day 1, sip that grit. Kickstart your momentum. On day 2, we're going to talk about your rebel roadmap. We're going to build your simple plan. On day 3, find your tribe. Let's speak to your people. On day 4, we're going to talk about content that actually clicks because we're going to teach and not preach. And day 5 is going to be getting inside their head because we're going to connect with them emotionally. And 6, speak, teach, and win because create content that actually converts. And on day 7, it's your social stage superstar, my friends. You're going to shine online without burning out. You ever want the full plug and play version, the one with the templates and the automations and the coaching? That's exactly what we dive into inside my Legacy Builder program. But don't worry, you don't need that to start. This 7-day series gives you everything you need to move forward today. So hit that subscribe, tap that bell, and share this with someone who needs a little rebel energy in their life. Then grab your mug and watch. Because day 1, Sip the Grit, where we kick things off with the first step to rebuilding your confidence, is on the way. And hey, then if you want accountability, community, and real conversations, join me in the Rebel Den. It's a free community for rebels 15 and over who are learning digital freedom. Because confidence isn't a feeling, rebel, it's a decision. One you make every morning. Now, let's sip that grit and get to work.